What if all atoms just fall apart? What if the ultimate glue of our universe just melts? Just like when Thanos snapped his finger and half of the universe disappeared, can all atoms completely disintegrate? Let's look at this atom. Atoms are made up of electrons that are negatively charged and protons in the nucleus that are positively charged. Electrons are attracted to the protons and thus orbit around the nucleus. When a charged particle accelerates, it creates an electromagnetic field. Electromagnetic force is what binds the protons and electrons and holds the atom together. Now, atoms make up everything in our universe, so this force is the ultimate glue of our universe. Likewise, when electrons move through a wire, they create a magnetic field. If the voltage flowing through the wire or the number of coils electrons is flowing through increases, there's a larger magnetic field. Well, this is great, but can we reverse this process? Well, Michael Faraday had the exact question, so he set up an experiment. As we can see, simply having the presence of a magnetic field does not produce any electricity. But wait! What's interesting is that when we move the magnet and change the initial magnetic field, the electrons inside the wire also move and create electricity. The amount of electricity produced is directly proportional to the rate at which the magnetic field changes. For instance, when we move the magnet at a faster speed, the light in the bulb is much greater than when we change the magnetic field at a much slower rate. So what Faraday discovered in 1831 was that simply having a stationary magnetic field does not generate any electricity. However, when there is a change in magnetic field, electricity is induced. This phenomenon is known as electromagnetic induction. Your own body creates electromagnetic fields. Ions circulating in muscles like the heart, brain, and lungs create biomagnetic fields, and analyzing them will unlock new diagnoses and offer insights in sports and exercise. We all have some magnetic field, but what's the biggest magnet that we know of? Well, it's Earth. The constant churning of the iron alloys inside the Earth's core creates a magnetic field which protects us from the sun's harmful radiations. Atoms make up everything, but they're mostly empty spaces. So why do things feel solid? Well, an atom's electromagnetic field repels the electric field of another atom. So the reason I'm standing is that the electric field generated by atoms in my body repel the electric forces of the ground. Even after 200 years since invention, we use electromagnetic induction to generate most of our energy without wasting all the chemicals needed to make a battery. Electromagnetic motors give us new ways to control and automate homes and hospitals, which is key for the post-industrial revolution that's happening right now. The wheels of innovation are driven by electromagnetic motors, and its applications are endless. What's next is in our hands.